Hello, welcome back to Python video tutorials. In this new tutorial lesson we are going to see the usage of for loop. So it's a iterative construct. Previous tutorial we have seen the if condition is a conditional selective statement, but here the for loop it's an iteration. If you want to do something, if you want to perform something repeatedly, you can use a loop. In one of our previous video we have seen while loop. Similarly, for loop is another loop, and I suppose it is similar than that of while loop. But in Python there is some difference. If you know some other languages, Python's for loop, it is used to sequence through a list or a string, but in other languages it will be iterating through an order of sequence of numbers. So here it is sequencing through some list or a string. Okay, let us see how to use it. So we have to declare some list. In the case if you are using list, so I have a list cat comma mouse comma pen drive. So I have 3 items in the list. So words, these are all the items here. If you check the length of words, we'll get the length of it. Of course there are 3 items. So then we can go for a for loop. For words equal to till the end of the words. Actually here we are declaring a words for w in words. So w is a variable, so that is in words. So the first element of the words will be taken first, then the next, then the next, like that. It will be scanned through these items cat, mouse, pen drive. So here we are printing the items and the length of each and every items here. So the first item will be cat, and the length of cat must be 1, 2, 3 characters. And the second item is mouse, and mouse there are 5 characters, and for the pen drive there are 8 characters. So this for loop, it is scanning through a list of items, and we can perform some actions on the list. And there are some more types of usage for loop. Let us see how to use it. So this is one of such usage. For I in range 5. So range 5 means there are numbers of the range 5, and we are printing each and every element. So in the range 5 we have numbers from 0 till 4. So if you want to get 0 till 4, then we can go for the range 5. And if you don't want the complete range, and if you want to have some initial value in between apart from 0, then you can define your range like this. For I in range 5, 10, and print I, and I is starting from 5 and it is ending at 9. These are all the ways to use for loop. And here one more thing we have to see here, and that is string. We can process string as well, just like in the case of list. So we have a string str, and the value of str is a b c d e f. And if you want to process or scan through the elements inside the string, then we can use the same way as in the list. For I in range len of str. Len of str will give the value of the length 1 2 3 4 5 6, it will give 0 to 5, and print I comma the count comma string of I. Each and every character will be printed after its index. So the 0th character is A in the string array, in the string, and first character is B, second character is C, and the 5th character is F. So string also can be processed in this way using for loop. And this is all about for loop. I suppose you can try these programs out in your system. Please try it, and please post your comments for this video, and if you like the video, please like it, and if you haven't subscribed the video yet, please do subscribe the video. Bye. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.